You may have heard stories, whispers, really, about a simple-looking Australian $1 coin that could secretly be worth $1 million. Yes, $1 million. Sounds crazy, right? But some collectors believe that a small number of these coins, with the right details or rare errors, might be hiding untold value. Could this unassuming coin in your pocket be a jackpot in disguise? This is the story of the 2011 CHOGM $1 coin, a piece of history that just might be worth far more than anyone expected. Stay with us till the end, because we'll reveal the maximum price ever paid for this coin, and how to tell if yours could be next. Let's look into the great historical background of this coin first. Let's rewind to October 2011, when Australia hosted the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting, or CHOGM, in Perth. This international summit brought together leaders from across the globe, and to commemorate the moment, the Royal Australian Mint released a special $1 coin. Unlike your everyday change, this coin had a message, a symbol of unity and global cooperation, captured in metal. Now we see the design of this coin before revealing its worth. The reverse side features a stunning image. A central globe, symbolizing the world. Surrounded by radiating petal-like shapes, representing the diversity and togetherness of the Commonwealth nations. Bold inscriptions reading, CHOGM 2011, Perth, Australia, and of course, $1. It's not just a coin, it's a moment in time. A small but powerful reminder of Australia's role on the world stage. On the obverse, we see the classic effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley, just like most Australian coins from the era. Now, here's the twist. While millions of these coins were circulated, many ended up scratched, damaged, or lost over time. But a small number survived in uncirculated, pristine condition, some even sealed in special mint packaging. And rarity plus demand equals value. There are also whispers of error coins, those struck incorrectly at the mint. These anomalies can explode in value, depending on the type and visibility of the error. So where did the $1 million story come from? Some claim that a few CHOGM coins with unique minting errors or low-mintage test pieces were never meant for public hands. If any of those surfaced, collectors say they could be worth 6 figures or even 7. Imagine paying for a coffee with a coin that could fund a house. Now, while no public auction has confirmed a $1 million sale yet, there's one confirmed sale of a premium mint state CHOGM coin that reached as high as $180 AUD. And that's just for a standard one. Imagine what a verified error coin could fetch on the open market. Experts agree, a CHOGM coin with a dramatic error could sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars if verified. Let's know what makes yours valuable. Here's what you should look for if you've got one of these coins. Perfect condition. No scratches, no dents, no discoloration. Still in packaging. Collector cards or mint rolls are golden. Error signs, double strikes, off-center printing, clipped edges, or misaligned designs. If you own any of these, then you might just be holding a hidden treasure. Here is the realistic value breakdown. Let's talk numbers. Here's the true value range of the CHOGM 2011 $1 coin. Circulated coins, $1 to $3 Australian dollars. Uncirculated condition, $5 to $20 Australian dollars. Mint packaged limited editions, $30 to $180 Australian dollars. Rare error coins _verified. Can sell for $300 to over 1,000 Australian dollars. While there's no confirmed $1 million sale yet, many collectors continue hunting for that 1 in a million error coin that could turn spare change into serious wealth. Let's know why this coin is special. This coin is more than currency, it's a time capsule. It marks an event where world leaders stood together, discussed the future, and strengthened international ties. If you own this coin, you're holding a piece of Australian diplomatic history. And if it has the right features, you might also be holding a valuable collector's item, maybe even the next coin to break auction records. So here's the $1 million question. Is the CHOGM 2011 coin in your drawer worth more than you think? Check it now. Inspect every detail. Look for the glow of mint condition and the whisper of a rare error. Because sometimes, the most valuable treasures are the ones hiding in plain sight. Do you have a CHOGM coin? Think it's rare? Share a photo in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss stories about valuable coins and hidden treasures. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your next coin hunt.